Okay, so today we are learning chapter linear equations in one variable. So today we are explaining, I am going to explain about the problems in the exercise 2.2. Find x in the following figure. So here the first problem. So if you see here, the triangle ABC is given, and so BC is extended. BC is extended. So as a result, an exterior angle is formed here. So now in this figure we have to find out angle X. So here in this figure, we have to use one particular property, is that so the exterior angle is equal to the opposite interior angles. So this is the property. So exterior angle property here. So here the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. So here 56 degrees is interior angle and angle X is also interior angle. These two interior angles are opposite to this exterior angle. So the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So here I am writing the exterior angle equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, so what is exterior angle here? So exterior angle is 123 degrees. That equals to, so what is the angle here? This x degrees is interior angle plus, and 56 degrees is also interior angle. So now we have to transpose here. So I'm writing x plus 56 degrees is equal to 123 degrees. That implies transpose this 56 degrees to the right hand side. So then x equals to 123 degrees is already on the right hand side. When you take this 56 degrees to the left hand side, it will become minus 56 degrees, and that implies x will become 67 degrees. So here thus we can find out the x value in this figure. Okay, x equal to 67 degrees. And we can also solve this problem in another way. So in another way also. Okay, second type we can also solve this problem in the second type. So here, so if you see the angle at C, that means angle BCA, the angle forming at BCA. So angle BCA, that means this angle, and exterior angle, both are linear pair of angles. So angle BCA and 123 degrees are linear pair of angles. So linear pair of angles. Therefore angle BCA plus angle 123 degrees are equal to 180 degrees. So that implies angle BCA is equal to 180 degrees minus 123. So then it will become 57 degrees. So that means, so angle BCA becomes 57 degrees. Angle BCA becomes 57 degrees. So now in the second step, so you know that angle sum property of a triangle. So according to angle sum property of a triangle. So according to angle sum property of a triangle, so the angles in this triangle, so ABC, in this ABC triangle, all the three angles equals to, the sum of all the three angles equals to 180 degrees. So I'm writing, so angle so what is 56 degrees? At 56 degrees plus x degrees and 57 degrees. So 56 degrees, then x degrees and 50. The sum of these three equals to 180. So I'm writing 56 plus 57 degrees plus x degrees equals to 180 degrees according to angle sum property of a triangle. So these two will become 113 degrees plus x degrees equals to 180 degrees. That employs x degrees. If you transpose this 113 to the right hand side, it will become 180 degrees minus 113 degrees. So that implies it will become 67 degrees. So thus we can solve this problem. We can find x in two ways. This is the first way, so simple, and the second way is slightly bit bigger. Okay, now let us move to the second problem. Problem number 2. The second one. Okay, so in this problem, so we have to find x again. So if in this problem we have to use the angle sum property. So we have to use which property? Angle sum property of triangle. So according to angle sum property of a triangle. So what is angle sum property here? All the angles in a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. So here if you observe at P, the angle at P, you will find that the angle is equal to 45 degrees. Then at Q you will find that it is equals to 3x plus 16 degrees. And at R you will find that it is equals to 68 degrees. That is equal to, so the sum of these three is equal to 180 degrees, right? So now, so by adding all these three, 45 plus 16 will become 61 plus 68 will become 129 degrees. So 3x plus 129 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So if you transpose this 129 to the right hand side, so it will become 180 degrees minus 129 degrees. That implies 51 degrees. It will be equals to 51. So x equals to 51 by 3. That equals to 17 degrees. So the value of x equals to 17 degrees. So x equal to 17 degrees is the answer here. So simply we applied angle sum property of a triangle. So now problem. So now we need to find x. So again here we have to use the angle sum property of a triangle. So according to angle sum property of a triangle, so we know that all the three angles, 25 degrees plus 30 degrees plus x degrees will becomes equal to 180 degrees. As a result, that implies, so 25 plus 30 becomes 55 degrees plus x degrees equals to 180 degrees. So if you transpose 55 to the right hand side, it will become 180 degrees minus 55 degrees, which will becomes equals to 125 degrees. That's the answer. So x equals to 125 degrees. In this way we can find out the value of x. So now let us move on to the next problem, number 4. So triangle is given, this is y and this is z, and here it is x. So join x and y, join x and z. So the angle at x is given but not given its value, and next, and side xz is equals to side xy. That means it is an isosceles triangle. So xz, side xz and side xy is given that they are equal, and at y the angle is given is 2x plus 7 degrees. At Z it is given 45 degrees. So now what we need to find? We need to find the angle at x. So we need to find the value of x. So here I said that here it is given that, so given that xz is equals to xy. See here, these two indicate that these two sides are equal. That means this is xyz triangle. Xyz is an isosceles triangle. So what kind of triangle it is? An isosceles triangle. So you know that the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So what is the rule here? Angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So you know that here xz, side xz is, so 2x plus 7 is opposite to xz. At the same time 45 degrees is equal opposite to xy. That means these two angles are equal, because so 2x plus 7 degrees is the angle opposite to xz, and 45 degrees is opposite to xy. So these two angles are equal. Therefore 2x plus 7 degrees is equals to 45 degrees. So if you transpose this 7 to the right hand side, it will become 45 minus 7, which will be equals to 38 degrees. Now if you take this 2 to the right hand side, it divides 38 degrees. So 38 by 2, which will be equals to 19 degrees. That's the value of x. In this way we can find the value of x. Now let us go for fourth problem, which is very important. So this is B and this is A. So sorry, slightly very straight, and the second one is BD. So AC and BD, and join these two. So here it is given that to x degrees, this side and this side is equal, this side and this side equal, and this is 3x plus 10 degrees, and this is O. So here if you observe the two triangles OAB and OCD are isosceles triangles. So here what kind of triangles are these two? Isosceles triangles, because sides are given equal. And so second thing to observe here, so BA is parallel to CD. BA is parallel to CD, and BD is transversal. So BD is transversal. So angle B and angle D. So these two angles, angle at B and angle at D, are corresponding angles. You know that corresponding angles are equal to each other. So that means, so OBA, so angle at B means OBA, angle OBA is equal to angle CDO, angle CDO. So these two angles are equal, that equals to 3x plus 10 degrees. So similarly AC is another transversal. So angle at A, that means OAB. So angle OAB is equals to angle OCD. So this angle and this angle, these two angles are corresponding angles. So these two angles are equal to each other. That means OAB angle equals to OCD. So angle OCD, that is equals to 2x degrees. So this angle is equals to 2s degrees, and this is 3x plus 10. Okay, so now, so just see, so a triangle OAB and a triangle OCD are isosceles triangles, right? So you know that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So you know that if you see, this is equal to, so this angle is equal to this angle, because this angle opposite to OA and this angle opposite to AB. So here AB equals to AO. That's the reason angle opposite to AB. Angle opposite to AB means this one. Angle BOA is equal to angle opposite to AO. What is angle opposite to? This is AO side. Opposite angle is 3x plus 10 degrees. So that means angle BOA. That means this angle is also equal to 3x plus 10 degrees. So that's the fourth point. And now see, fifth point is, so we have to use angle sum property. So what is it? Angle sum property of a triangle. So what is angle sum property? All the three angles in a triangle, the sum of all the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So now let us see this angle OAB. If you take OAB triangle, so what is the angle here? 3x plus 10 degrees plus, what is the next angle? 3x plus 10 degrees plus, what is the third angle? 2x. So all these sum of these three angles is equals to 180 degrees. So if you join them, 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 2x, 8x degrees, that equals to 180 degrees. And here 10 plus 10, 20. If you take this 20 to the right hand side, it will become minus 20, that is equals to 160 degrees. Therefore x equals to 160 degrees by 8. That implies x equals to 20 degrees. So in this way we can solve this problem. So what is the answer here? X equals to 20 degrees.